In this video, you're going to learn how to do a mail merge from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. So here we have the addresses, recipient's name, gender, age, sender's name. This letter should be sent to all the recipients in this spreadsheet. So how can we make that happen? We're going to make the data from the contacts to the application for a loan file. So how we go about this, let's open Microsoft Word here in this file. When we are here, we want to replace these placeholders with the actual values. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on these mailings. When you come here, you're going to see that mostly part of this ribbon here, it's deactivated. The only parts that are active are these four items. Here we have the envelopes, labels, start mail merge, and the select recipients. So here you have to select the people who you're going to write this letter to. In this case, we have this contacts file. The recipients. When you click on this, you're going to get these three options. Click on this and type a new list if you want. So we don't want this because we already have a list. So we're going to use an existing list here, but if you have contacts in Outlook, you can use that. Here we're going to use an existing list, so click on that. It's going to open this computer browser. We know we have a file on the desktop named contacts, so you just click on that to select it, and then you want to open this. It's going to open this select table dialog box. We want to select January because this is where we have our data that we want to link to this. Now I want you to pay attention to what's going to happen to this part here. Right now it's not active. When I click on OK, you're going to see that most of these now are active. We can use these now. So here, even this, the one that was not active, it's now active. You have the address book, greeting line, and insert mail merge. This is what we're going to be working with, but you also have this here. So from here, you can choose who should receive this letter and who should not receive. Here, what we're going to do is we want to replace these placeholders with the actual values. So we highlight this, for instance, like that. Then we come here on this insert merge field. Then we're going to see the address here. This is the address coming from the Excel data, this address column here. So we have this address. This is what we are seeing here. So when I come here, I'll see the address. So just click on that. We need to have the address there. Press enter to start the new line. We also need to replace this recipient's name. We want to have the actual name here. So just highlight this and come here and say recipient's name. Then you also here where we have sender's name, we're going to highlight this and replace this with the actual sender's name down there like that. The gender is also going to be replaced with the gender. So we have gender here. The age, replace it with the actual age, and the address, we're going to replace this with the actual address, which is this one. Then down here we have the sender's name again. Now sender's name, just like that. We're done with the replacement of placeholders. As you can see, we only have one document, but because in the Excel document here we have 6 records, 1 2 3 4 5 6, we should be able to generate 6 letters that are going to be sent to the 6 records that we have in the Excel data. So here to see how many documents are going to be generated, you can always click on this button here. It's going to show you that we are going to generate 6. This is not magic. You can only you can tell, or you can see why that is giving us 6 here, because we have 6 rows. This is the header, the one we are using to insert the values in our letter, so it's not counted as a part of the records. So this is why we have 6 there. So when I click on that, I'll get a 6. The number of documents are going to be generated there. When I click on finish, here we also have 3 options. You can edit individual documents, which we're going to do, or you can print the documents directly to the printer, or you can send this letter as an email. Here we're going to edit this so that we can see that it's going to generate the 6 documents, and this allows us to edit the document. Maybe you'd want to personalize certain letters to these receivers. So here we have this now information: Lusaka, DRT James, APOS, male 35, and the age, just like that. Here we can scroll down and see other documents. The first one, ABOS. Here when you scroll down, you're going to see that now we also have the second one, which is going to Kitwe. Then we also have this one to Livingstone, the other one to Central Province, Kafue, Chirawombwe, and just like that. These documents have been generated. This is how you can simply do mail merge. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Share it with other people who would want to watch a video like this. See you in the next one.